Korea's financial regulator just changed the math on deposit insurance. The state's public fund for bailout repayment is stuck below full recovery. A regional bank is racing to build a non-banking empire through a securities firm acquisition. And tighter bank lending is pushing even 700-point credit borrowers into high-interest lenders. It's Friday, August 7th. Let's break down what's happening in Korea's financial sector. Korea's deposit insurer has spent years trying to recover funds paid out during past bank failures, but a stalled sale of Seoul Guarantee Insurance is slowing that recovery. Meanwhile, regional banks are diversifying beyond traditional lending as interest margins compress. And banks are raising credit thresholds for loans, just as household debt stays elevated. Here's what the numbers show. Korea's public fund repayment reserve stands at 4.8 trillion won, with a recovery rate of 79.5% on money paid out. The stalled Seoul Guarantee sale delays that recovery further. Suhyup Bank is pursuing a 64.8% stake in Sangsang Investment Securities to build a non-banking business line, with the target's paid-in capital combined across funding rounds reaching 124.42 billion won. Tighter bank lending standards are pushing borrowers with credit scores in the 700s toward high-interest lenders. Loan officers report a rising share of mid-tier borrowers among new high-interest loan customers. So, what does this mean for banking analysts and compliance teams tracking Korea's financial sector? Earlier, we said Korea's bailout repayment fund is stuck below full recovery. Here's what that actually means for you. Recovery timelines for public funds are stretching out, not shortening, which affects how regulators price future deposit insurance premiums. Combined with banks pushing riskier borrowers toward unregulated lenders, Korea's credit cycle is tightening from more than one direction at once. That's today's AI PRISM, Finance Daily. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI PRISM is a Won IFRA award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.